What's up guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are kind of doing like a part two, like a spin-off on a video that I did a few weeks ago where I talked about my top favorite organizational products that you can get off Amazon. And today we're going to talk about my favorite cleaning products that I got off of Amazon. Not all these things I got off of Amazon, I'll be honest, I'll tell you which ones I did and which ones I didn't, but all of these things you can get off of Amazon, and I'll have links to everything in the description. Something that I'm super excited about this video is not all of the products are like normal cleaning products, what you would think of, like to clean your counters or to clean your floors. Or we're gonna be hopping around my house. We're gonna be in the bedroom, the kitchen, the bathroom, the laundry room, the living room. We got like a whole variety of types of cleaning products. So I'm so darn excited. With all that being said, I don't wanna make this a long intro, so let's just get into it. I'll just end the intro. We're just getting this one out of the way because y'all know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I could not talk about this because it's just like my favorite product in the whole wide world when it comes to cleaning. Can you tell? Oh, I actually have another one, but it's in my fall decor box, so I'm not gonna go grab it, but I do have another one. Can you tell that there are dirty dishes in my sink? I love Mrs. Meyers MultiSurface cleaner. I love it. Don't get me, clearly they leave me speechless. I have loved these Mrs. Meyers multi-surface cleaning sprays for so darn long. One, obviously, I love the fact that it's multi-surface because I don't need like a million different types of sprays. This cleans so many different things. It says on the back, we make effective, trusted formulas. They're made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, and birch bark extract. So first of all, I love how transparent they are, but I also love all of the fun scents. Like here, I have basil, peony, honeysuckle, and lavender, and then I also have like a fall scented acorn one, but it's in my fall decor box. This peony one is definitely my favorite. It just smells so darn good. And you know what? While we chat, we're gonna wipe down my counters. It says on here, tough on dirt and grime, gentle on your home. Exactly what we want, right? But I also always have been someone who loves wiping down counters. I don't know why, it's just always been something that I've been a big fan of. But ever since getting these sprays and getting into them, I love it that much more. And I just find that if you let it sit for a minute or two, it literally makes it so much easier to wipe down. Everything kind of slides right off. You don't feel like, you really have to scrub if there's a little stain or a little built up food. I have never loved a scent as much as I love this Mrs. Meyers peony. I don't know what it is, but it's just so pretty. Also, do you like my new wreath? My mom and stepdad got it for me for my birthday. See, and I can kind of just use this on the backsplash. I'll wipe down the coffee maker with it. It's super versatile of a cleaner. I think we'll go to the bedroom now for the next one. Gotta get my coffee first though. Okay, so for this next thing, we are here in my makeup area on my makeup table because we are talking about makeup brushes. Oh, actually, I don't even have the products. I'll be right back. Okay, so there are two things that I want to talk about for this one that before I bought these, I was on the hunt for the perfect way to wash my makeup brushes. I actually went through so many different makeup brushes because one time I used coconut oil, that did not work. I know people have said you can use dish soap. I just felt like there was still a residue on them. I just did not find anything that really worked well for me until this and this. So this is the Ecotools Makeup Brush Shampoo for a deep weekly cleanse. It's free of parabens, and this is cruelty-free, which you know is extremely important to me. I will not buy any sort of makeup products if they're not cruelty-free. So I got this, and then I also got this little rinsing pad, which is amazing. I'll show you on the screen what I'm doing. I just take the makeup brush, run it under some water, and then take a little bit of the makeup brush cleaner. You really don't, or the makeup brush shampoo, you really don't need that much. And then you just rub it around on the pad, and it is amazing at how darn much makeup comes out. The brushes literally feel like new when you're done. I'm not kidding. They smell so good. They feel so soft. It's literally like you just bought them in the store. They have no makeup left on them. It's just, this stuff works incredible. I don't know, this combination I highly recommend. And both of these products are like around or under $10, so super duper inexpensive relative to what you're getting, in my personal opinion. So I'll have links to these, of course. And I even use this for my beauty blender. This is like a real beauty blender. One thing I will say is that you have to be super careful on this. You can see that I rubbed a little too hard and I kind of brushed some of the beauty blender off. So be careful, but if you just pat it on one of the softer little sections, it works really well. I can't tell y'all how long I was on the hunt for like the perfect makeup brush cleaner, and together these two products are incredible. I highly recommend this. Like, I used to never wash my makeup brushes. I now do it once like every few weeks because it's honestly fun and kind of like therapeutic to just see all the makeup come off. It's very satisfying. Look at Callie being the cutest doggy in the whole wide world. Mwah. Okay, so this next thing I am so darn excited about. It actually came in the mail just the other day, so I'm not gonna say I've been using it forever, but I have used it a lot in the past couple days, and I got great reviews, and I've been wanting something like this forever. A mini vacuum. I don't know how I waited so long, and this is like, it comes with, a little mounting set so you can mount it to the wall. I highly recommend a cordless mini vacuum. This thing is super lightweight, super easy to hold, and it's so darn easy to just, if you see a little bit of dust on the floor, just go vacuum it up real quick instead of having to get like your big normal vacuum out. Especially in college, me and my roommates had to like sign out a vacuum whenever we needed to use one. It was like this whole big ordeal, and it's always the big chunky ones, which like work well if you're doing a deep clean, but if you just want to do a quick little clean, or if you want to clean out your car, these things are incredible. So I did a lot of research. This one had great reviews. I'll have it linked below. I got it off of Amazon. I believe it was like $40, like very inexpensive, and so far it's been working great. I got the one that's got the long and thin snout, whatever, so that it's easy to like get in little areas, but they do have a normal one as well. And then it comes with this little brush that you can flip up or flip down if you want to use it. Also, if I look a little like shiny, it's probably because it's like 80 degrees outside, but I don't want to turn the AC on because the noise will ruin the audio for the video. So I was like running it continuously all morning before I started filming to like get this place nice and cool. It's been like 20 minutes and it's already like really hot again, but that's okay. These are all wet. This next cleaning product is actually to clean your body, not your space. Because come on, it's really important to have a clean body, right? I would hear people talking about these all the time, and I always thought it was so stupid. I was like, they'll just get dirty. They're not like, they're gonna hurt your skin. They're not really going to help. I was wrong. These like gloves, they're super duper exfoliating. I don't find that they hurt my skin. I know some reviews said that they did, but if you want something that's super exfoliating and is gonna get that excess tan off or that excess like dead skin that you have on your body, these are gonna do a great job. There were some mixed reviews, like some people on the Amazon said that it hurt their skin. For me, it didn't. I honestly need something that's very exfoliating because of myself. I put self-tanner on. So anytime I'm gonna self-tan, I always scrub myself down with these gloves first. It came with a pack of 4, so I've already gone through one pair. I think it lasted me like 2 months before I decided I was gonna switch them. And so now I'm on my second pair, and then there's still 2 more that came in that pack for like $10. And even if you're not using self-tanner, they're just great because your skin feels so smooth after you use it. And you really feel like you got a good clean. So I highly recommend checking these out if you're looking for a good way to clean your body. So this next one isn't exactly a cleaning product, but instead a product to help itself stay clean. For the longest time, I had one of those garbage cans for like $20 from Walmart where it's like just plastic and the plastic bag comes out and you just stick your finger to open it up or whatever. And that was fine. And then for Christmas this past year, my mom and stepdad got me this automatic garbage can. Guys, this was a kitchen life game changer. I gotta be honest. I don't care if that's dramatic. I freaking love this thing. The amount of times that I'm cooking or baking or just doing dishes and there's like dirty food in there and I don't want to have to like touch the garbage can because, you know, that just makes it so much dirtier. This is a lifesaver. You literally just swipe your hand over, pour the whatever garbage in there, and then you're good to go. And it's so much cleaner because the garbage can itself doesn't get so messy. And I do think the ones where you step on it is also a great alternative if you wanted a less expensive version. I know they got it from Costco, but I did find some really great ones on Amazon as well with some great reviews. So I'll have those linked in the description because I couldn't find this exact one on Amazon. I'll have the brand that I got here on the screen. I've been using this since Christmas of this year, so like 6 months, and I really do love it so much. So I highly recommend if you're looking to get a new garbage can that's a little bit fancier and kind of like high tech, get a automatic opening one. On to the next thing. Okay, so for this next one, we're here in my laundry room, and that's because I found, well, actually I should say Tim found these balls on Amazon, but I love these because I'm juggling, not really. You could stick them in the washer and the dryer, so it helps to, they help to separate the clothes, make sure everything is getting all around where it's supposed to go and getting washed and dried. And especially for me, because I have a combo washer dryer, which means the clothes literally get washed and dried in the exact same machine. Sounds scary. I was pretty skeptical about it before I got the machine, but it actually works really well. And it saves me so much space because like I get this whole laundry room now, which I wouldn't have gotten if I needed, well, if I had 2 machines. So I love these because it moves the clothes around and it really helps to make sure that everything that you have in the washer is getting washed, and then everything in the dryer when, you know, it switches to the drying part. Even if you have 2 separate machines, I think these are awesome to put in the washer as well. It just helps to really break up your clothes and, you know, nope. And then I got this cute little bucket that I store them in right over here. Also, isn't this beautiful? My friend Sochil actually painted this. She's an incredible artist. I'm obsessed with it. She did say she wants to put a little bit more coloring down here, but I just love how it looks in this room, especially with my drawers that are painted blue with the gold and this. Oh, it's getting all blurry. Not enough rambling about my photo and laundry room. Let's go on to the next location. So this next one is these fully silicone, like dishwasher safe dish brushes. I love these because one, I've never really been a sponge person. If you do like sponges, all the power to you, but I just find they get so gross and disgusting, and I hate the smell of a dirty sponge. It's just so disgusting to me. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to wash anything with it. I just find them gross. But these dishwasher safe, like silicone partly brushes with the like sprouts that are, I don't know how to explain it. I'll have the material here because I don't know what it is, but you know, when it's easy to clean and it doesn't really tack, like stuff doesn't stick to it too much. And I love it. We're gonna do dishes while we talk because you can just kind of like scrub it off. It's like super easy to just scrub off all the stuff. I don't know if you could see that. But then when you go to put everything in the dishwasher, if it's looking a little dirty, you just stick it in there with everything and it gets a super nice clean. You know that it's completely, you know, cleaned and disinfected and all the bacteria is off of it. And I just, oh, I love these things so much. And this specific one I did get at Walmart, but I found super duper similar ones on Amazon, so I'll have them linked in the description. And they have all different like shapes and sizes, and they have the ones where you can put the soap in. I just think that having dishwasher safe dishwasher things are super duper helpful, and they make the cleaning process way easier. And I just like the way it looks. It's just kind of fun, you know what I mean? And with that being said, we're gonna run the dishwasher.